Look how much the person needs to believe in himself. I'm just sitting here, drinking my coffee. Want to sit and learn a little bit of my Torah books, my Mishnayot and my Halachot. And I'm thinking to myself that I need to prepare myself to the Tefillah in Shabbat. It's going to be Tefillah of Rosh Chodesh. And I'm saying to myself that I need to remind myself all of the Halachot and what should I do? Need to remember the halachot. You have Alel, you have Aliyah Torah, Kriyot B'Torah. So you need to remind yourself the halachot before Shabbat. I open the Mishnah Brura, the halachot. That's the halacha. Tfilat HaMoed, regular prayers of the special days. You need to fix them for yourself. Prayers of the special days of Rosh Chodesh also, you need to fix them before of your prayer. Kodem shitpalel, before you find yourself in Beit Midrash, in the Beit Knesset, that you're going to remember the halachot, all of the prayers. So, Rabbeinu HaKadosh is saying in the Likutei Moharan that when a person is learning L'Shem Shamayim, for Hashem, so then he can find himself in the books. He finds the situations of his life inside the subject that he's learning. So now I need to believe in myself, to believe that I learn Lishma, that I learn for Hashem Yitbarach, and this is why I found myself in the book.